Hey YouTube, Sam here. Well, this is one of those mistake things that I figured since I did it I should show you. Doing some electrical here, and I ran this down here, got it figured out kind of where I wanted it, and cut it off. And in my stupidity and fact that I haven't done this in a while, I realized I cut it all off for all of them to go here, which only one of them needs to go here. The rest need to go down. The white and the ground, or neutral and ground, need to go down, around, up through here. Now I did not do all this. This was already pretty much like this. I pulled some of this out to get it out of my way, but pretty much all of this was already wired. I didn't do any of this. I'm just working on this one thing here where I'm adding something. Anyway, and since I cut it off short, well, now this is one of those things where I say if you do something I do, I'm not responsible. If you don't like the way I'm doing it, don't do it. But anyhow, there's only one other plug hooked to this wire here. So I figured, hey, why not put a plug right here? So I ran my wire out, and I'm going to stick a plug there. I can run the wires back out through here and into the box, and make sure I cut everything to the length I need to cut them, and crisis averted. Although yet again, you need to check your rules and regulations and all that stuff, codes on whether or not this is okay. I can't see any reason why this is going to hurt anything, but you guys got to figure that out for yourself. So anyhow, you get one shot at it, or you're going to have a whole bunch of plugs next to your box, and that would look a little funny. So just for a future reference for myself, don't forget that. And for all of you out there that are do-it-yourselfers who have some knowledge enough to be messing around in here, but get stupid once in a while like I do, here's one of those things you can do to maybe make up for that. And quite honestly, I don't mind having a plug here anyway. I rarely would use it, but there's been a couple times where I wouldn't mind having a plug over in this area and didn't have it. So anyhow, there you go. A little bit of a tip and trick there, along with Sam is stupid. So this is Sam, jack of all and obviously master of none. Y'all have a good one.